Hi guys, Ryan here from Less Pest More Control, and 2 from 2. Yesterday we did a termite inspection, termite damage in the roof. Today we're looking at the same. Pretty extensive mudding, goes right across the top, all the way down. See it in there. Out here at Mudgeeraba, again, you can see it going down there, on the top there in the corner. Sorry, I'm just getting my bearings, and then we can see it. We climb over again. We like these cornices. Right in that corner, cheeky little buggers. Yeah, there we go. So right in that corner, they've eaten that one out, and there's some old damage here. That's why we need to get in the roos when we're doing your termite inspection. Yeah, you guys need a termite inspection in Mudgeeraba, give us a call at Less Pest, guys. Have a good day.